going on YouTube? It's your boy Fresh and I'm back at it again, and right now we are riding the city bike over the Brooklyn Bridge right here in New York City. First time riding a city bike, electric bike. Of course, y'all all know I got a DTT VHL6 Pro at the house. It's my first time riding the city bike. And the top speed for this is only 15 miles, so much slower. I'm not sure if I went the right way or the wrong way, to be honest with you guys. I think I went the wrong route. I got a bus of Yui. Mike got a bus of Yui. Let's see. Yeah, I think we're going to bus of Yui. I took the wrong route. I'm at the bus of Yui right here. But just enjoy the view while you're looking. There's the World Trade Center straight ahead. And that's the route I'm gonna have to go, guys, right there. Killing my battery on my phone down to 70%. And guys, the Citi bike cost me $25 for 30 minutes. But it is unlimited all day with this unlimited pass for $25, which I think it ain't too bad, because if you add in Uber drivers or a taxi, you're gonna pay much more than that. So it might sound like a lot, but it really ain't. All right, we're back to square one. Let's see if we get the hell up out of here. And guys, do me a favor, like and subscribe, click on that notification. Run into the wall, guys. And I've rode across the Brooklyn Bridge. I never drove or walked across the Brooklyn Bridge. So we're gonna try to do both of them. We'll ride across it first, then we're gonna walk across it on the way back. Guys, I hope you're liking the content. You know we always bring you new content. Always gonna bring you new content no matter what. But do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe. Fresh Visuals, only on YouTube. Got Spider-Man out here walking the streets. Guys, today is July 25th. It's about 4 o'clock right now. Sunny. About 83, 84 degrees. A great day to ride the e-bike. Well, the Citi bike. Still an e-bike, but it's a Citi bike. And what can I say? I like riding e-bikes, and this is a new one that I'm trying out. But it still ain't better than my DTTZH. And guys, I don't know if this one has different gears. I'm thinking it is one gear. And the harder you pedal, the more you're gonna get it, catch up with speed. is not like your personal e-bike where you can change the gears. This one is more of how fast you pedal. And it's also telling me I got 29 miles to the battery's dead, so you definitely ain't gonna run out of battery. On this e-bike. Right now, we're at the top of the Brooklyn Bridge, right here in Brooklyn, New York. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm your host, Fresh. And I do a lot of travel. I do a little bit of everything. Check out my channel. Guys, check out my channel. I do a little bit of everything. I do walking videos. I do videos of traveling to different places, flight simulators, a little bit of everything. You name it, I done tried it. I'll tell you one thing, guys, it's much better going downhill than going uphill. I tell you guys, I ain't did this much walking in a while, and my legs are starting to show it that I'm not in shape. I'm definitely not in shape, I can tell you that much. This walking has worked the hell out of me, and I'm not used to walking. I'm usually on the e-bike, but when I'm walking, well, I can tell I'm definitely out of shape. Well, we done made it over to Brooklyn. So now we're going to try to find somewhere to park this sucker. Matter of fact, let's go on down to Dumbo and see what's going on down that way before we park it. I got plenty of time left. The train don't come till 8:25, so I got plenty of time right now. Here comes somebody speeding past me. Hey guys, that was a nice little ride right there. Legs is definitely sore now. Dad didn't want to come along today. He said wasn't feeling good, so he stayed at the hotel. Which my father is older, so I understand that much. You all understand. Turn right here and go down this road. I think we are in Brooklyn Heights, if I am mistaken. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. Y'all probably saying I'm driving on the wrong side of the road, which I am, but I'm on a bike, and I can see what's ahead of me, and I know it's still dangerous, but I can see what's ahead of me. So people, I'm good. But remember, always wear your safety equipment. I gotta find somewhere to park this bike. There we go, right here. Perfect. And every spot was full right there. Every single spot. came down this way maybe about 4 years ago with my cousins. We walked all up and down through here. And now I'm doing it again by myself. I think I see the spot right here.
I'm not doing anything besides dance that day. Okay.
I think that was broke. Yo, hey, how you put this up in here?
Huh?
How you put this up in here?
Yeah, some of them don't really work, but
Oh, they don't work?
try, yeah, just try to line it up. Try this one. Yeah, here, 1 second. 1 second.
You want everything
This
to
piece
go
right here.
in?
Alright, try pushing it in there.
All right. I know how to get that damn thing. I don't want to break it. That's what it is.
No, it's all good. They're pretty hard to break. Yeah, it's heavy. Can I try it for a second?
Yeah, sure. Thanks, man.
Yeah, might be.
It's probably broke.
This doctor's might be broken. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's try that one over there.
This might be good.
I'm gonna grab your bag.
Thanks, man. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know how to. This is my first time. I know what.
They gotta fix them.
Okay, all right. Thanks, man.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. All right, we got some help right there because, like I said, I never used it before. don't want to break it. Is that not a beautiful scene right there? So right now we're headed to Dumbo. I don't think we're going to make it to the High Line, guys, because if I film this Dumbo area and then to walk across the Brooklyn Bridge, I think that's going to be about all of today. So we're going to do what we can do. But time is getting short every single minute. Guys, I can tell you right now, to climb up this is a mountain. This ain't no hill. It's a mountain. We did this a couple of years ago, and it worked the heck out of our legs. Me and my cousins, we were worn out by the time we got to the top. Once again, in the South, you don't do all this walking because everything's so far apart. So you got to drive most of the time. And once again, guys, if you're new to the channel, I'm from Virginia. So I like to come up to New York every 2 or 3 years, see what's going on. Get away from the South every now and then. Guys, do me a favor, like and subscribe. Also, click on that notification and leave a comment. Fresh Visions, only on YouTube.
It's a really nice area in Brooklyn.
You know how we hit the feature in Brooklyn when you're meeting at the park? No wonder. I've been holding on my rocket. Beto, ya sé que...
Like a little back road. Never been this way.
She's an artist. Yeah, no, they think